Welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at some YEEZY 700v3s. This is the Fade Salt colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave any comments or questions down below and hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today we are going to be talking about a sneaker that just released this past Saturday. I cannot believe honestly how fast Adidas shipped me over these to my place. It took only a day, which is pretty crazy sometimes when that happens. So happy to have these out pretty quick to you, but these are the YEEZY 700v3 Fade Salts. We're going to go through the overview, talk about size and fit, jump into how I styled this colorway, then conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. So of course the name is Fade Salt, so I do feel like this is kind of like a salt and pepper looking colorway, which is kind of interesting. It's different. I do like that they've kind of switched it up with the color scheme on this specific silhouette. We do have a beige color scheme on the front of the toe box here. As we work our way onto the sock liner, we do have nice mixes of dark charcoal grays, some metallic silver, and some nice dark charcoal laces for the infinity lace set. I will say one thing, that these infinity laces for some reason are super tight, tighter than I was expecting. It was a little bit of a struggle to actually get my feet inside this, so it is nice that they do give you just a regular set of laces, which I think if you don't have as narrow feet as myself, if you have wider feet, you may actually have to end up cutting these off, just because I feel like it's just pretty tightly laced on here. There's not a lot of give when you're trying to put your foot into this, just because that sock liner also is quite narrow, as you can see, to get your foot in there. So it may take you a couple attempts. All right, let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side paneling. All right, so moving along to the side paneling, we do have this transparent looking cage unit, which also glows in the dark. As we look at the stripes underneath, it is very cool, as it does have this faded look to it. So it goes from a nice kind of transparent color scheme into this black colorway, and in between that we do have white. Working our way to the other side of the lateral portion of the sneaker, we've got that same transition of colors that fades from light to dark. The interior is in a nice charcoal gray and some nice black for the font, and then as we work our way to the midsole, we do have a nice kind of cream tone, and the sneaker is finished off and completed with a nice pop of cream as well as a pop of orange. All right, let's take a look at those last and final details. As far as sizing goes, I went up half a size on these, but I honestly think I'm probably going to start going with a full size up, specifically if it does have this infinity lock system. It was just a little bit of struggle to get into the sneaker itself, and I feel like it didn't have very much room in that toe box region for some wiggle room. So I highly recommend at least going half a size up in these, but for me personally, I think I may try next time around to go up a full size to see how these fit. All right, now let's talk about how I styled this. So again, just pretty easy colorway, color combination specifically, I feel like to style with. For the first look, I kept it pretty casual with an all essentials look. I wore the sweats I'm wearing now in head to toe, same colorway, nice kind of mixture of cream and some black mixed in there, which again is kind of the same color scheme that you see throughout this sneaker. I also layered that with just a nice cream puffer vest. For the second look, I dressed it up a little bit with a nice, just light kind of khaki tan color scheme for a leather maxi dress. And for the last and final look, I wore some leather pants with a leather jacket and a nice, just simple gray tee. You let me know down below what was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these?
Let's hit the dance floor. Don't work too hard, might break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never lack those. She saw the stone, you know how that go. Fatality, my diamonds that cold. Versace trunks, I hit my backstroke. Knock on the door, she at the back, bro. All I really take is a little taste. Island girl, blue eyes with a little bass. Here for the thrill, I don't need a chaser. Wanna vibe at a getaway. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, I got the semi-fold weight. Don't step out the line like this a probate. You hit the line and try to locate. This for the time, got time for no day. Whoa. Too many, I'm going. Too crazy, and I got bad ones and they ready. A good time, so now it's into it, we left at. Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit. Good times. Live in the moment, feel like summertime. Obsessed with nature, not a world mine. The room is spinning, but I feel fine. Oh my.
Now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $210, and right now they're currently going between $220 to $270. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us and tuned in for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification box. We do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you all next episode.
Look like a rave at the condo. Heck of a night in Toronto. She said, boy, you in Morocco. Pearl white.